For those prioritizing health, the choice between quinoa and rice often sparks a nutritional debate. Both are staple foods globally, but their health benefits differ significantly. Let's explore which grain might be the better option for your diet. Quinoa stands out as a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. It's also rich in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting satiety. Beyond protein and fiber, quinoa delivers a wealth of micronutrients. It's packed with magnesium, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. These contribute to energy production, immune function, and overall well-being. Rice, particularly brown rice, offers its own set of health advantages. Brown rice retains its bran and germ layers, providing more fiber and nutrients than white rice. It's a good source of manganese, selenium, and magnesium. White rice, while less nutrient-dense, is easily digestible and a quick source of energy. It's often fortified with vitamins and minerals in some regions. However, its lower fiber content means a quicker blood sugar spike. When comparing directly, quinoa generally boasts higher protein and fiber content per serving than brown rice. This can lead to better blood sugar control and longer-lasting fullness. Quinoa also typically has a lower glycemic index. In terms of micronutrients, quinoa often provides more iron and magnesium. Brown rice, however, can offer more selenium and certain B vitamins. Both are naturally gluten-free, making them suitable for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Ultimately, the healthier choice depends on your individual dietary needs and goals. If you're looking for a complete protein source, higher fiber, and a broader spectrum of minerals, quinoa might be your preferred option. It's excellent for muscle repair and sustained energy. If you need a more budget-friendly, easily digestible carbohydrate or are simply accustomed to its taste, brown rice remains a nutritious choice. It provides sustained energy and essential minerals. Incorporating both into your diet offers a diverse range of nutrients. Neither quinoa nor rice is inherently bad for you. Both can be part of a balanced, healthy diet. The key is to consider portion sizes and how they fit into your overall nutritional intake. Focus on variety and listen to your body's needs. Whether you choose quinoa, brown rice, or both, you're making a positive step towards a healthier lifestyle.